Let's fill out the Connecticut boat bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Welcome to this quick guide on what Connecticut requires for a boat bill of sale. First, the document needs to include the name of the seller, so make sure that information is clearly written out. Next, the bill of sale must be signed by the owner, or an authorized officer if the seller is a business or organization. Now, Connecticut does require a declaration under the penalty of false statement, so this takes the place of traditional notarization. You will need to acknowledge that the information you are providing is true and accurate. If there is a lien on the boat, a lien holder release will also be required before the sale can move forward. So check on that early to avoid any delays. The net sales price must be included on the document as well. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.